Hey guys, it's Teacher Emily. I am just super excited about something I wanted to share with you that is going to be helpful for my lessons and hopefully helpful for yours as well. Usually I use this focus tool to zoom in on already full size images. So this is the food truck. And you can see the menu. Sometimes I'll have like a whole scanned worksheet for my students, and I usually keep them pretty full size. I don't have to zoom in or out. Um, but those stay very visible to us while we are moving around in the playground. And so what I have figured out with this playground as I was building it, I put these little slides on the tables thinking that we could just um, blow them up and put them on the wall. So I'll kind of show you what I would normally have done, and that was my original plan, um, was to take these little slides. These are like little whiteboard slides. And my original idea was, hey, we can just store them on the table and then blow them up. It doesn't change the quality of the image. And then put them back, and you can use the focus mode tool like that. That's normally what I would do in a lesson, is just have a full screen, full size image and bring it full screen with the focus mode tool. But let me bring this back down. You can actually just leave these images on the table. So what I'm so excited about is that the focus mode tool can be used for like tiny images like this. So if I bring the focus mode tool here just to the floor in between these tables, and I can use the arrows to pan up. You can't read them now still, right? But you can totally just zoom in, and they are totally like readable. Look at that, it's perfect. So you could move along the slides just like how you would in whiteboard, but just panning up and down along this picnic table with these hidden um, slides. So here I would use the pen. Pen tool works just the same if you are in tiny mode. And connect the picture of the kebabs to the kebabs and the fried rice and the hot dog. I'm holding the shift key, remember guys, it will make a straight line. And you can just pan through these. You can just pan over to the next table. Super easy. So I'm like, why do we need whiteboard at all? Because we can just flip through these slides with the focus tool. I can even jump to the next table. So to me, this is going to be really helpful because I like for my playground to still look like a playground, but I like to have learning content inside of it. So, you know, you can add your educational material, your worksheets, your scanned pictures of a book or whatever you're wanting to put inside Playground. You can just put it in a tiny little image and use your focus tool to zoom in on it and work on it from there. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. I'm kind of excited about it. And let me know. Let me know if this is helpful, if you guys use this trick in your lessons. Awesome. Happy teaching.